नमस्कार, ओम, all you yogis. Me Shubham Mishra, welcoming you all to my YouTube channel Yoga with Mishra ji. Today we are going to learn Trikonasana. There are four types of Trikonasana, and these four types are very useful to reduce your waist extra fat. Extra fat which is stored to the waist will be reduced by doing these four asana. So start Trikonasana. Trikonasana part 1. First stand like this. The first one is normal Trikonasana. Raise your one hand. Second hand is on thighs. Long inhale. By slowly exhale, go downward. Slowly. Look my hand. Look my legs are very straight. So go like this. And wait here half a minute. While you are doing this, the pressure is on your waist to this side. Then after waiting for half a minute, come back slowly by inhaling. Long inhale and come back. Then on another side, long inhale. Slowly exhale. Slowly exhale. And go here. If your flexibility is more increased, so you can touch your both hands there. Or like this. After waiting half a minute, as much you wait, you will get more output. And come back slowly by inhaling. So that was the first type. Now we will do second type. Second type is bit more easy and more productive. Raise your hand. A long inhale. Fold your leg like this. Put your hand, another hand like this, and stretch your hand as much as you can. This body downward and this hand are stretched, so that when you are stretching your waist, you are stretching this portion of your body, and it will reduce all extra weight which you have stored to your waist. A long inhale and slowly came back. Then again on another side, long inhale, slowly exhale, fold your legs, put your hand like this and stretch this hand. Now inhale and come back. That was second type. Now we'll do third type. Third and fourth are a bit more tough but are very helpful, very productive. So start. Raise your hand like this first. Second hand, put behind your leg. Long inhale and by slowly exhale, go there like this. Put your hand behind your leg and like this. You can put it like also. Stretch. This will stretch you more than previous ones. Slowly inhale and come back. Another side. By doing this, you will reduce your waist fat more quickly. Now, last part and very important part of this Trikonasana. It will give a lateral movement to your backbone and increase the productivity of your body. So how we will do it? Raise your one hand, second hand like this. Turn your body in lateral movement like this. Long inhale and slowly exhale. Put your this hand to this side and this hand to this. Be in this position for half a minute. Long inhale and come back. Another side. Move laterally like this. And go. Long inhale and come back. By doing this, you will reduce the waist fat and your body will become more productive. You will not feel any pain, any misstretch, nothing, and you will get a lot of benefit. If you will do this regularly for half an hour, for 10 minutes, you will get lot of benefit. And you will, if you will get benefit, please write in comments and watch my videos. Happy New Year to all my subscribers and all the world. We will meet again in another video. Jai Hind.